Let's call immediately two of these executives and professionals that were part of this survey that Edwin presented. Anna from Symington and Micaela from Bondalti, the former CUF Química. Please, Edwin, guide us.
What stood out for you from the participation in the study that we did?
What surprises me the most is to see that still there is such inconsistency between some of the answers. Either people report but not measure. There are a certain amount of answers that indicate that people are not working sustainability systematically. So the lack of systemic thinking, which we all know that is critical. But also, I was very happy to see that people understand that leadership is key. We need inspirational leaders. We need people that are able to bring others to the table, to be inclusive, to be ready to speak out, not only about the successes, but also about the failures, to develop a narrative that is really truthful.
I think what surprised me most was to see that there are still so many companies that the action is reactive and in some cases also in a marketing perspective. In the study, some of the agenda like United Nations goals and others, it's a support for us to make that journey. And indeed in Bondalti, I think this was a relevant help for our journey because it gives us an objective.
How is sustainability guiding you and your organization? And looking back at the past 5 years, what has really changed?
I think that most of all sustainability journey that we have been doing has been a catalyst for change. And it has been really a leverage in terms of our people-driven and purpose-driven transformation. We have been working through a framework, and I think that's really important. And based on that, we have been able to make adjustments. We have been tackling governance issues, vision, mission, and strategy also. And we have a motto for the next generation, which means that we want to deliver a better company for the next generation.
Looking to the last 10 years, the way we learn and the way that society looked to the business was much more on shareholders' value than on stakeholders' value. And in Bondalti, it was a big transformation. We began that journey with you next almost 10 years ago. And we have 3 axes in our strategy. Of course, the economic one, but also the environment and people. And we act in all of 3 axes together. We listen to all the stakeholders and we hear what are important for them. We discuss that and we put that also in our way of do things. And I think we make a big change in the way of manage business.
Do you have any final message or thought?
Myself, I'm not able to separate sustainability from innovation. The two embrace themselves and only work together. So I think that we need to inspire ourselves. We need to aim for the moonshot.
Act now. It's not to be in the future. It's happening now, and we need to act now.